Tapos ng aming photoshoot. Sariling sikap photoshoot with momshie Rose Photography. Thank you so much, little kids. So we did I think 1, 2, 3, 4 scenes. So apat yata na napalit si baby. The first one is the nakahubad lang siya, the brown. Actually, it's a scarf. It's not a swaddle. Kasi yung mga swaddle niya is pang cutie-cutie. Wala akong madrama. So, nakita ko yung scarf ni daddy. So, yun. Ginamit ko yun. Actually, scarf ko pala yun. But it's a brown. Good thing I have that one. So that one. And then the Jordan basketball theme. And we have the painting theme. Yeah, and I think that's it. Meron pa ba? I'll double check, but yeah. I think this 3. It's just mabilis lang. We started at 1 p.m. and we finished like around, 3 o'clock? Yeah. It's a quick one. It's like a bam bam bam, whatever. Shooting, whatever. Kung ano lang yung maisip na namin. Kasi wala naman kami masyadong props. So, ito yung pinakamagandang props namin. We're thankful because we have a baby. Raphael sleeping. Gosh. The whole time, Raphael undressed is gising siya. Ayaw niya matulog. So, hindi namin magawa yung mga pa-baby moments. Yung mga ganun. Hindi daw siya pa-bebe. So, gusto niya yung gising siya. He's active. And, actually, nap time niya yun. 1 p.m. to 3 o'clock. Yeah. Usually, natutulog siya ng ganong oras. So, yeah. Tulog na siya ulit ng alas 3. And then, yeah, it was fun. It's our first time doing that. Well, for the baby, of course. Kasi kay Asher naman, wala naman kaming ganun eh. For lang sariling sikap din. And, yeah, wala masyadong creativity. Pongkan lang at saka apple. So, binisit nila yung duyan, yung mini garden namin sa labas. And the kids enjoyed it because Cassie is so bored na. She wanna go home. She wanna drink her milk. And yeah. But thank you, momshie. Oh my god. You made us so happy today. And yeah, it's all for the memories. I'll show you the pictures. There you go. all I have because kuha lang ako ng pictures using my phone. And yung mga totoong pictures talaga na for editing is nakay Roseanne. So, I'm gonna wait for that. I'm excited for that. Gusto ko yun. Kaysa... enjoy ko yun. Na-enjoy ko talaga. I hope you enjoy it, guys. See you next one. See you in the next one. Bye!